Hi everyone, my name is Ifrin. Today we will be talking about factoring using Berry method. Okay, this will be our original equation 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Okay, moving our first step. Our first step, we have to write the first number of our original equation and the two parentheses. Okay, now moving to the second step, we have to multiply the first number of our original equation by the third number. In this example, 2 is the first number and 3 is the third. 2 times 3 equal to 6. Positive, because in our original equation, the number 2 is positive and the number 3 is positive 2. 2 times 3, positive 6. Moving to our third step. This step is the most important. Please be careful with this step. Okay, in this step, we have to get two numbers that multiply by each other, get the second step number 6, and add the third number. In this example, this is the third number of our original equation is the number 3. Okay, sorry, it's not the third number, it's the second number. Okay, the second number, number 7. Okay, beginning again, we had to get two numbers that multiply by each other, get the second step number 6, and add the second number of our original equation. In this example, the second number is the number 7. Okay, now that numbers are 6 and 1, because 6 times 1 equal to number 6, our second step number, and the addition of these two numbers, 6 plus 1, equal to our second number 7. Very important, this third step. Now moving to the fourth step, we have to reduce the equation. Okay, the equation will convert our first step numbers, that 2x, and our third step number 6 plus 1. Now we get 2x plus 6 and the other factor 2x plus 1. Now we have to reduce the equation. Why reduce? Because number 2 and number 6 have a common factor. In the example, number 2 is the common factor between 2 and 6. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. We have a 1 in the front of the variable. And 6 divided by 2 equal to number 3. And the common factor putting outside the parentheses. We see if the second factor have common factor, the common factor between 2 and 1. 2 and 1 don't have common factor between these two numbers. We down exactly the same factor, 2x plus 1. And now we move to the fifth step. The fifth step said that we have to eliminate the number outside the parentheses. In this example, the number that is outside the parentheses is the number 2, our common factor. Now, eliminated this number outside the parentheses, we have our two factor, x plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1. That will be the factors of our original equation. If we want to verify that these two factors are the correct factor, we have to multiply x times 2x, x times 1, 3 times 2x, and 3 times 1. We plus and minus the number, and we have our original equation. That means that these two factors are the factor of our original equation using the Berry method. Thank you very much.